Hello and welcome back, folks. Today's recipe is a braised pork and mango pickle curry. The addition of mango pickle gives this recipe an unusual piquancy, and it also helps to tenderize the meat. As usual, the full list of ingredients is in the description. All good curry recipes start off with the onions, am I right? So peel and finely chop 2 large onions. Now the next bit is going to scare some of you with a sensitive disposition, but we're going to have to add 50 milliliters of oil into the pan. That seems quite a lot, but Burmese curries are indeed quite oily. Cook the onions until they become translucent and start to turn brown. While the onions are doing their thing in the pan, take the opportunity to bash together 5 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. You can of course use a garlic crusher, but hey, this is the way that the cool people do it. Add these into the pan and cook for a few minutes to release the scent. For the meat, use 500 grams of belly meat and 500 grams of lean meat. You don't want to be watching me, or at least my hands, chopping the meat, so here's a nice shot of it already done. Add the meat into the pan and cook it until it starts to go brown. This bit seems to take ages, so you need to be patient. When the meat has eventually turned brown, this took about 20 minutes or so, add the spices. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 2 tablespoons of mango pickle. And then top it off with about 250 milliliters of water. Give the curry a taste before the braising to see how much seasoning it needs. I used about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Cover the lid, then let it braise away on a low simmer for about 1.5 hours. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope that you enjoy the recipe, and see you next time.